Heat number 2, the rerun heat. Bull FPV, Chief, Platinum, and Shames. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5.
Go. An aggressive start from our pilots. One of the guys flying a little bit high. He's going to keep it in line, though. Looks to be your leader is Bull FPV. Followed closely behind is Chief, and then Shames running closely behind in the number 3 spot. Bull FPV first one up the Inception Tower, weaving his way around and back down. That is Bull FPV, your leader. Running in the number 2 spot right now is Shames, getting ahead of Chief FPV there, as Chief made a little bit of a mistake going down the tower. But it looks like Chief going full send, hitting a quick bit of 5th gear there, making the pass back in front of Shames. Bull FPV, your leader, way out in front right now. He's making his way back up the Inception Tower right now. There he goes up. A little less turn around, roll inverted, and back down. That was a little bit of a rhyme right there, and it worked. Bull FPV, your leader, onto the final lap. Running in the number 2 spot is Chief. He is also onto the final lap right now, and about 2 seconds back from him, that is Shames. Running in the number 4 spot is Platinum, back a lap from them. Bull FPV, your leader, still final time up the Inception Tower. There he goes inverted one more time. Through clean, hard left turn through our top gate. Bull FPV going to take the win in this one. Who's going to take second? Right now I see Chief FPV through the Inception Tower, full send, and he is going to take second. Shames is going to come around in third, and Platinum's going to take a solid 4th on this one. All pilots still live. Platinum FPV and Shames moving down into our consolation bracket. Bull FPV and Chief, you guys are moving on in our winner's bracket. Bull that time around with a 21.0 second lap as well.